Jade, how it was worked, and what it was good for. Now let's look at our topics for tonight. What is jade? Where is it found? How is it worked and carved? And what is it good for and how is it used? Well, jade is a mineral, also known as nephrite, but there's two different types of jade. There's nephrite and then jadeite. Nephrite has more of the green color, as long as a white color, and then jadeite has a lot wider variety of colors. And jade is very hard on the Mohs scale. It's very tough due to its structure, and diamond is 10 on the scale, but it can fracture very easily. And the jadeite is very tough, and so it doesn't fracture easily at all, even though it's only a 6.5 on the scale. Now, jade was found in the oasis region of Khotan on the Silk Route, and it's usually excavated from mountains and picked up in riverbeds. Now, jade and how it was worked. Jade's been mined since the Stone Age around China, but jade is very tough, as we know, and so it can be cut by metal knife, and so they use a bow, usually, and a cord, and some sand acting as an abrasive before being, more precisely cut by a bamboo drill and then polished. Now we're going to talk about what it was good for and how it was used. So jade can be broken up into 4 categories, first being ritual objects, second burial pieces, and ornaments and sculptures. Now the ritual objects usually are broken up into powder and then ingested. It was thought to combat illness and promote longevity, and so a long time back a corpse was found with a jade cicada on their tongue, which was thought to help stop decay. So there's a picture of that on the right. And then as well as percussion instruments, the imperial court in China, they had a lot of chimes and bells just to ring during the court cases. Now I'm going to be talking about the burial pieces, one of which is a kodagger, which was made exclusively for burial. They would actually put it inside of the coffin so that they're holding it. And the jade suit to your right is made out of almost 3,000 pieces of jade and 2.5 pounds of gold wire just to hold all the pieces together. And it would take about a year, maybe 2, to make. So it's only really used for the rich people in China. And here are some examples of white nephrite jade and a more greenish color of the jade. Thank you for listening to my presentation on jade, how it was worked, and what it was good for.